We're here with Trisha from Luxury Daily. Trisha, do you think that mobile is a very important part of Neiman Marcus's Christmas book?
Yeah, definitely. I'm not surprised that they're using mobile touch points. In fact, actually, I'm surprised when luxury brands don't use them, especially in a themed catalog like this. I think that there is a lot of potential for this mobile effort to go viral, just because, especially how Neiman Marcus's fantasy gifts really get a lot of attention every year from both affluent consumers and mainstream consumers. So it definitely makes sense that this is the content that they're concentrating on for mobile. I think it's also cool that they're using a branded app instead of using a third-party technology app to be able to show this content. I think that there's a lot of potential for Neiman Marcus to be linking to similar products because aspirational consumers will likely not be able to afford the fantasy gifts, but be able to browse Neiman Marcus's other offerings, and obviously affluent consumers will be very interested in viewing the videos and seeing what these fantasy gifts are all about.